What's up guys, here's a quick review of the Bob & Brad D5 Pro massage gun. You know, I've been in the market for a massage gun for a while now, and so far I've discovered that the TheraGun is very popular and reliable, but evidently this massage gun is supposed to give it a run for its money, and I'll get into a quick comparison later on in this video to illustrate what I'm talking about. So a massage gun, or what's known as percussive therapy, can be used for soft tissue recovery, which can reduce soreness by bringing heat and blood flow to the muscle tissues, and also be used as a pre-workout by stimulating the muscle groups that are going to be exercised. And these will only apply if you utilize the machine as intended, of course. So you can find this item on Amazon.com for $145, and I do have a promo code BAB-D5 Pro that'll get you 10% off. Now, one thing to note, this massage gun is FSA and HSA eligible, which can benefit you if you have these accounts. It's a premium model that is engineered with longer battery life, 55-pound stall force, and a brushless motor. When I received the package, I really didn't know what to expect. I had done a lot of research, but I've never really owned a massage gun, so this was a first for me. Everything was packaged professionally, and I noticed that they did a really good job with their branding, which you can find that in most of the items in the box. The D5 comes standard with this carrying case, which is really convenient because there are a few items that come with the package. It's very sturdy, as you can see here, and feels like quality material. It's not flimsy at all. You have a rubber handle that's sewn down with vinyl straps, and 2 quality rubber zippers with a Bob & Brad brand on it. Now here's a few dimensions that may be useful if you're going to travel with this bag. You'll find that it's 12 by 9.5 by 4 inches, which is pretty standard for a massage gun carrying case. Opening up the case, first impressions, we have a lot of bubble wrap to protect the massage gun. You'll find the owner's manual with a couple of spare rubber sleeves. And I like to show all the pages of the owner's manual. I think it's sometimes beneficial for someone that purchases this item and might lose their manual. You can refer back to this video. But you'll find all the essentials, how to operate the machine, maintenance and care information, all the proper names for the items that come standard with the product, some troubleshooting information, and their guarantees. One cool section that I thought was very beneficial in this user manual was how to properly use this machine on each muscle group, starting with your hands to the upper back, shoulders, your triceps, forearms, your feet. Everything in detail. I think some people purchase these massage guns without really understanding how to properly use them, like myself, so this is very beneficial. Here we have a close-up of the rubber sleeves. We have 2 of them. They attach to the bottom side of the attachments, and we'll get into that shortly. It comes standard with a USB-C charger and a fast charging plug. Getting into the attachments, we have 5 different attachments for different muscle groups, starting with a large ball for muscle groups such as the quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Next, we have the standard ball, which is pretty much for overall use. And keep in mind, all of these are made of silicone and ABS. And what that means is that it won't absorb sweat or lotions or any type of oils. It's very easy to clean. Here we have the spade, and it's designed for shoulder blades, and you can use it for scraping and flushing motions that help flush lactic acid out of the muscles. The air cushion attachment is designed for sensitive areas. It's made of silicone and has a recoil type of feature to it. Next, we have the bullet, and it's for smaller muscle groups such as your hands and your feet. It's very firm and doesn't have a lot of give to it from the touch. Alright, moving on to the unboxing of the main product. First impressions, we have a matte black look to it, and most of it's made out of rubber, so it has a lot of grip to it. The handle is rounded, and the rest of the product is more square to it, kind of like a rectangle type of shape to it. We have the Bob & Brad plastic logo, and this is not a button. It doesn't do anything. Here's a close-up of the handle. It has ridges on it for extra grip that I can feel, and an LED screen to show your modes and speeds and RPMs. Here's a quick look at some dimensions. Ultimately, it's 10 inches in length, and the handle is 1 inch in diameter from what I can see. This massage gun has 5 speed modes ranging from 1500 RPMs to 2500 RPMs. And personally, I think that the lowest RPM setting is sufficient. It also has a 10-minute auto off timer, which can save on battery life. We also have 4 modes to pick from, ranging from muscle relaxation and recovery to activating muscles before a workout. It's pretty straightforward on how to install the attachments on the massage gun, but it does take a bit of force to put them on and take them off of the massage gun, as you can see here. And that's where the rubber sleeves come into place, which attach to the bottom of the attachments to ensure that it fits nice and snug to the massage head. And it has an ergonomic type of design to it, to where you can switch your grip position to find different angles of the massage head to maybe reach your legs or your upper and lower back. It's very efficient. So charging can take about 2.5 hours, but only if you use the power adapter that comes with the product. And you'll know you're using the power adapter only if you have this little icon to the left of the battery indicator. All right, here's a quick video of how quiet the massage gun is. All right, here's a quick comparison to the competition, and I'm gonna focus more on the TheraGun Relief considering it's closest in price. The D5 Pro is about $10 cheaper than the Relief and surprisingly over 2 times the amount of stall force at 55 pounds. It has 5 speeds and 5 attachments compared to 3 speeds and 3 attachments with the Relief and double the amount of battery life at 4 hours. And last but not least, the warranty. The Relief has 1 year and the D5 Pro has a 2-year warranty. So in closing, for the price compared to the competition, this is the more valued purchase. You have the highest stall force at 55 pounds, an ergonomic multi-grip design. The battery life is almost doubled at 4 hours. It comes standard with 5 attachments and a 2-year warranty ensuring quality assurance. If you have any questions, reach me in the comments section. I always appreciate feedback. We'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.